Greetings, universe. This is Fadayz from the Self-Expression Project, and you're watching Thinking Out Loud 52. From the time we are born to the time we are gone, our lives as we know it remained under construction. Schools condition us to work, relationships challenge our balance, self-improvement and self-confidence brings us closer to our higher selves. Loving families teach us how to listen and be patient. Failure teaches us how to be great leaders, parents, and grandparents. So, this current blueprint of yours, what does it look like? How close are you to completion? Was everything given to you? Or are you seasoned with getting your hands dirty? Resilience is a shovel one has to earn. What have you mastered that you can now teach to others who are open and willing to learn? Beyond distractions and material, there are gems to be found. The first step to growth is placing the seed in the ground. Peace, and as always, you are the adventure you seek.